Okay, this is the update. You can hear it crank over. Nice and quiet startup. So what happened was they had to update the lines, put in the proper size lines for this unit. They put in a hard start cap. They had to replace the compressor. And the most important part to all this was that they had to install a high quality surge protector on this unit. Because what would happen is it would kick on or get a little spike somewhere, and the compressor would be on a compression stroke, and it would fire backwards, and it would rotate backwards and make all kinds of noises, and that's what happened. So it's just that simple. They got if they install a unit like this, they have to update the lines to the proper size. Okay, use the right gas, obviously, the right head pressures and all that good stuff like that based on your temperature in your area. Okay, then hard start cap just for the hell of it. Then replace the compressor if it's been spinning backwards at all, because it's probably damaged now. If it's been making the clunking noises, it's time to replace it. Even if it's brand spanking new, replace it. Then you put in the surge protector, the high quality surge protector, and it's that simple. It'll run flawless. All right, that's it, guys. It's that simple.